or from my perspective?
You can say both. First, you start from your perspective, then go to general, or you can say general, then other people perspective. Go ahead.
First, I start in my perspective.
Yes.
When I start learning English,
When I started learning English,
I started going this, so I found difficulty in knowing a lot past tense. Today I'm so big for past tense,
Right.
right? Like I'm studying present and future tense.
Okay.
So this one, and if we talk about generally, so most of the people find difficulty in vocab.
Yes.
Yeah. Sometimes things happen that they want to talk more, but
Yes.
yes, they cannot talk
You're right.
because of vocabulary.
You're right. That sometimes they are running out of words, or they don't get they are lacking precision, or you can say one more thing here, that they don't get that domain specific word or context specific words. You're right. Absolutely, I agree with you. So vocabulary, and what else? What you mentioned?
My perspective,
Right.
right? Past tense.
Past
Past
tense.
tense
Okay,
will be
right.
right.
Do you know any other things that is going to help us in learning the languages? For example, using the flashcards. For example, I can take a flashcard here. I can learn new vocabulary. So what are the ways to remember vocabularies? What do you think?
Sir, for reality, and futuristic generation,
Yes,
kind of
yes,
futuristic
kind of. Yeah,
generation.
you're right.
Right? So they have lots of AIs. Who can help us?
Okay. Yeah, you're right.
And there are some books
Hmm.
who can help us on it. So
Which can help when we talk. So one more thing here, when we talk about non-living things like inanimate objects, we need to use that or which. If you're talking about the living person, we should use who. Okay, so please continue. I'm sorry for interruption.